All right, so I think I'm going to start laying out the angle piece on the Alaskan slab. So basically I have 80% of the flat foam pretty much secured down. The back row is not secured, and I have maybe 6 feet or 4 feet over here. Um, so the challenge now is to figure out without a protractor. Um, this is an idea of the foam, the top of foam. So this comes across straight, pretty much straight here, and this is the straight section, and then from here is where it drops down 6 inches. So um, pretty much going at an angle, and it goes 6 inches down and then levels off, and this is going to be a 1 foot curb basically. That's going to be 12 inches high by 12 inches wide, and everything else will be 6 inches higher than this level here. All right, so today I want to finish with the angles and hopefully most of the flat part that comes out here, but I have this angle to do right up to that last corner. The back section I'm going to be doing some plumbing for a bathroom actually, so I'm going to have to get that done before I call the guys in to make the pour. But this front face, I'll be putting the flat pieces on it once I triple check the level, because that is the most important part. This outer edge is the most important part for the contractor, the concrete contractor, to that's where they're going to put their forms and everything on, so it needs to be pretty level. So I'm going to do this north side as well and take care of the back. So should be pretty interesting. All right, so the north side of the garage is done. I'm going to be doing some plumbing work here. I'm going to actually have a bathroom in the garage that I'm going to fully connect to a septic system, and basically fresh waters from a well as well. So I'm going to be doing that before I can call the concrete guys in. But yeah, did most of my cutting. I got like around 10 pieces left over, but pretty sure I'm going to need those for some of the edges. I don't think I have enough for all the edges, so I'm going to need a couple more pieces. But yeah, other than that, went relatively well, a little better than I expected. The weather is definitely one thing that's helping out. I'll go ahead and clean this up a little bit, get that level out like I said, and as long as everything is good, I'm going to lay my perimeter, and that'll be it for today. I'll be able to do my plumbing tomorrow. All right, so here's the back. Here is the south end. And here is the front. So next step is to, since I'm extending the length of the garage by 1 foot instead of 50 feet, which would be a foot past this this line, I'm going 2 feet past the line. So this is a 3-foot section. These are 2 feet wide on this end, so I'm going to make this 3 feet wide to accommodate the extra. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 more boards, 5, 6 all together. So I'm going to get out the saw, make my cuts, have everything ready to go, and then the last step will be to do the plumbing, which isn't horrible. So depending how I feel tomorrow morning, before I head out, I'm going to see if I can start to dig the trenches at least and get that going.